Hello traders, welcome back to my channel Stock Diary 41. This is Ali Abbas, your host, and आज मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ ये जो आज का ट्रेड था। पहले पोस्ट मार्केट एनालिसिस करते हैं। So gap down खुला, a very good gap down over 400 points, and then it went to almost 600 points minus from the previous day's closing. और सबको उम्मीद ये थी कि ये जो सपोर्ट लेवल बना हुआ है, मैं ये ड्रॉ करके रखा था, ये जो सपोर्ट लेवल बना है एंड कैंडल इसके नीचे बंद हुए, सो द नेक्स्ट टारगेट वुड ऑब्वियसली बी दिस एंड दिस, बट देन द मार्केट जस्ट ट्रैप्ड एवरीवन एंड rallied 500 points. It was an amazing recovery, and once it came to this level again, where all the short sellers are sitting quietly, the market could not pump above this. So tomorrow my view is that if the market opens flat and breaks either the high or the low, that is the direction it's going to take. Wednesday being expiry of Bank Nifty, there could be a ranging market and then a breakout either side, whichever level breaks first. There would be a price action, so I have to watch out for that. Nonetheless, the VWAP was at 920. It was at 51,600. So here I have the strikes that were played today. All right, 51,600 call option. We got our first trade over here. It was a shorting trade at 12:35, where the entry was at 408. First and second targets were met within 5-10 minutes at 375 and 343, and then the stop loss was trailed to cost over here and we got hit. Then the second trade came in over here, again a shorting trade, and this was at 1:50 p.m. 421 was the entry, 387, 353 were the targets, and almost just a few points away from our third target, the market reversed and it closed over here. So we exited over here because the time was up for intraday holding. So at 369, what we shorted at 421. So that was the call side. I'll just take you to the put side. There was no trade in the morning as the market pumped and then dumped, broke all the support levels and came down and started ranging. After that, we got a buy signal at 12:35, and the first and second target were met in within 10 minutes. So buy was at 241, 260, and 279. After the retrail was stop loss to cost, eliminating the risk, and we got hit over here. So it was overall a profitable day for us. So I'll just take you to the Excel sheet now. Here we are at the Excel sheet, and I am happy to announce that we are inches away from cracking the 2,500 mark. There are still 4 trading sessions to go for this month. I hope I get it done. So the first trade was a buy, and coincidentally the first trade was a sell on the call side, and we also got a buy on the put side. So that was quite a risk, but we did it and secured 98 and 57 points. So it's 155 points, and then 204 points on the sell side on 51,600. That was because the time was over, the intraday timing was over, and we took 2 lots over here, securing 51 and 51 points. So all in all, a very good day. 359 points secured. 2,484 is the current balance, and I'm really hoping that I crack it tomorrow. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to know more about this indicator, please do like, share, and subscribe to the videos, and email me on stockdaddy41@gmail.com. And if you'd also like to have a free trial demo, please inquire about it on the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Thank you.